Alright guys, so I really don't know where this clip is going, but today is a Monday, so that means I have a day off. Started the day off, paying my ticket, going to the UPS store, sending out my other ticket, picked up my steering wheel, and now we got it in hand. On the way to Beamer Speed to put that steering wheel in. The steering wheel is kind of old. I mean, it's not old. Actually, the steering wheel is 13 years old, so it's gonna have some fade over here, some blemishes. So, got a new steering wheel and we're gonna put that on. Abel, what are we doing right now?
We're gonna be switching the steering wheel, which is actually a lot nicer. I actually like this one a lot better.
So guys, this is the steering wheel that I picked up and we're about to install.
Really nice.
It's a little bit bigger than the OEM one.
It's a lot nicer.
But yeah, it is nicer.
It is a lot nicer.
This one, well, the thing is, one of the big reasons why I actually got it was because the OEM one is cracking right here, and then it's like peeling on this part.
Which is normal.
Normal, yeah. I mean, it's a 13-year-old car. You can't really do anything about it. So that's peeling off. Abel's gonna help me install the new one. So what's the first step?
Okay. First step is disconnecting the battery.
Okay.
You don't want the airbag blowing on your face.
No, we do not want that. Is that 10 or 8?
This is a 10.
Okay, 10 millimeter.
Disconnect the negative terminal.
Okay, because everything's positive around here.
Yes. And you can just put it off to the side.
Okay.
We can put this on service mode so it doesn't lock on us.
Okay, very smart.
Put it down. And it won't close. Now, for the steering wheel, they have 2 tabs. Well, it's not a tab, but it has like an X right on the side on both sides.
Okay.
And there's 2 clips that hold the airbag.
Mm-hmm.
You have to push them in and you can take off the bag. And then it has a 17 millimeter nut right behind it.
Okay.
And then all of these is just tabs that hold on to the steering wheel.
So you seem like you know what you're doing.
I've done it a lot of times. Sometimes it's frustrating because the clips that hold the bag, sometimes they're either bent or from other 20 tries. So
we are about to stick the flathead into the steering wheel to undo the clip, right?
Yep. See if I can get it.
Oh yeah, look, it's already prying off.
Yeah, but you have to grab it right on the clip itself, because if not, it won't work.
Okay.
Eventually,
I don't hate it.
Dude, it's been 2 seconds. I could tell because of the recording. It's been literally 5 seconds.
1 hour later.
I think this pick is too skinny.
2 seconds later.
Turn the fan off.
All right. We got the master tech out here. Me and Abel, we couldn't really get it, but
So
Adrian.
you can tell them why though.
Yeah. So Abel, tell them why.
The clip, someone has been here before. That clip was jammed. It was catching against the back of the wheel. Wasn't letting it spring out.
So we got the airbag undeployed. So that's a good sign.
Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet.
I need an extension.
Easy as that. 1 bolt
That was my
in the
nut.
washer.
Ouch.
Should come right off.
Okay, and then you need to take this ground off, Abel, right here. And we got a few connections to remove on the inside here. So I believe you guys can take it from here, if I'm not mistaken. Put this back in. Undo this stuff, Abel, and pull this forward.
I have to cut that.
All right, Abel, talk to me.
All right. So I have to remove these connectors, which are what controls these.
You've got to press on it. Pull it out, perfect. And then this one is on the bottom side. So we're basically taking these off and transferring it to the other wheel, correct? Or just transferring this, yeah, because the way the paddles. Perfect. How many clips are there? There is 2 connectors, and then the 2 for the airbag, and then the ground. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna get the T15, and then we're gonna unbolt this from here. So we're gonna unbolt it on the when it's on here? Yeah, we're gonna... Well, we should take it off, yeah.
Take it off and then just transfer it. This is the OEM wheel. This is the other wheel that we had bought. Wanna hold this real quick? Put it down right here. Perfect. So this wheel is a little bit bigger, and I mean, I don't really mind. So it looks like this has everything here already. So we just have to swap this, right here, and right here. All right, so now Abel is loosening these 3 bolts. What are they, Phillips or what?
They are T15s.
So he's loosening these three T15s, and able to get this one out, so we could put the paddles and the control modules in.
Okay, it should come out. Keyword. Isn't it done? It's the way it's supposed to do. And this stuck. Give it some views. Perfect. And now, quick transition.
We'll be right. All right, now Abel's doing the same thing on this wheel to get this off, so we can put the control modules on.
And just like that, she comes out. She should come out. Keyword. There we go. She came out.
Boom.
And now we can transfer over the controls for the volume and
M toggle switch.
yes.
Perfect.
What size is this? Same size? Same size, okay. Good. So, out with the old, go with the new.
How many foot-pounds of torque was that?
Like 2.
Nice.
And then now we can install it on here.
Transfer it back.
Oh wait, the paddles.
Yes, that
Before
is.
we forget, this is the same size.
All right, so now Abel's taking off the paddle shifters. What size is that?
This is a T20.
Okay. Shoot it through the back. That's one. And there she goes. She came off just like that. So we got every accessory, I guess we would call that.
Yeah.
All the accessories off the old wheel.
Now
So
you
we're
gotta
just transferring
feed
it
it
back.
same way.
It's starting to look like a steering wheel, if I
Yeah.
say so myself.
Yes, sir.
Now we transfer this one back and plug. Okay.
Now the 3 bolts.
Technique. Perfect.
Flip it over.
Now it actually looks like a steering wheel again.
Well, I always did.
Now we can put this on the car, connect these 2 for these buttons, put the airbag. Hold on.
Actually.
No, wait, hold on.
Shit. So we are putting everything back together. So right now, the top, 2 tops first, and then the bottom. Flip her around like a pancake, and screw in these 3 bolts, right?
Finally.
What do you mean finally? It's been like 10 minutes.
We're putting the steering wheel back to the center. For those, it has a little mark right there at the bottom,
You can see that mark right there.
and it has one here.
Okay. Oh, to see it center.
Yes.
Wow, what a great design, BMW.
Plug this one back in,
Clip,
and then this one,
2 clip.
and now the airbag.
Why don't we put the bolt on first?
Well, of course. I wasn't gonna skip that. I should have just let you go with it.
Well, of course. Nice.
Like this, right?
Flip everything back in. Yeah.
Green goes with green as their
How do you know that?
color.
Looks like you're having crumbs here.
No.
Black goes with black, I guess.
Yep.
Should anything get tucked away or
These
remove
wires
to the
don't really
side?
touch, or this. You can leave this on to the side. It won't bother anything.
Plug. And then the final step, push her back in.
Now it's done.
Dang, it looks good.
It does.
Matches. So I guess the final step is putting the battery and then seeing if the horn works and the paddles work. But everything should work because there was just like, what, 6 plugs?
Yeah.
Okay.
And everything was plugged into.
Yep.
It should be fine.
It looks so much better than the OEM one.
Are you serious? Tighten up the battery. Put this cover back on.
The liner is kind of misplaced because I had taken the liner off to put the coilovers. So nothing really like, look at this match.
You really fucked this up.
Yo, I'm no BMW mechanic.
Now,
Wait,
you
wait.
have to click the trunk button because if not, it won't close.
Okay. So that child safety thing is off?
Yeah. It
Okay.
pops it, now you can close it.
Wow.
Now you can turn it on and see everything works.
Alright. So the engine light comes on for the steering wheel.
Airbag just blows.
Yo! And I'm sitting right here. Alright, so windshield wiper fluid is low because we changed the steering wheel. Once again, thank you to Abel. Thank you to Adrian. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day after we installed the steering wheel. I don't know, install went by really good, really well. The steering wheel fits perfectly, obviously. It's a little bit larger diameter, but the girth is like smaller. Pause. But yeah, everything is good. I ordered a detail spray, well, a cleaner, and it's supposed to be getting here soon, so it just cleans out the wheel a little bit. Since I got the wheel used, want to clean it off. Have to get my car cleaned anyways too. But yeah guys, that is the steering wheel install. Let me know what you guys want to see because I don't know what to film, but I just film what I feel like is cool. Catch you guys on the next one. Hey.